If you want to withdraw money from your Capital One credit card using an ATM, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it works and what you need to know before doing it. First, it's important to understand something. When you withdraw money from a credit card, it's called a cash advance. A cash advance is basically borrowing cash from your credit limit. It is not the same as a normal purchase, and interest usually starts immediately. There's also typically a cash advance fee. Now let's go step by step. First, make sure your credit card has a PIN. If you don't have a PIN yet, log into the website or mobile app of Capital One and request one. You may receive it by mail or be able to set it up online, depending on your account. Once you have your PIN, go to any ATM that accepts your card network. Insert your Capital One credit card into the ATM. Enter your PIN when prompted. Then select the option that says cash advance or sometimes credit. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that your cash advance limit may be lower than your total credit limit, so you can only withdraw up to the available cash advance amount. Confirm the transaction. The ATM will dispense your cash, and the amount will be added to your credit card balance as a cash advance. Remember, interest usually begins accumulating right away, and you may also see an ATM fee plus a cash advance fee on your statement. So always review the fees inside your Capital One account before withdrawing. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from a Capital One credit card at an ATM using a cash advance in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and updated finance guides.